here I stand. I'm your man. If you want a boxer, I will step into the ring for you. And if you want a doctor, I'll examine every inch of you. If you want a driver, climb inside. Or if you want to take me for a ride, you know you can. I'm your man. All the moon's too bright, the chain's too tight, the beast won't go to sleep. I've been running through these promises to you that I made and could not keep. Oh, but a man never got a woman back, not by begging on his knees. Or I'd crawl to you, baby, I'd fall at your feet, I'd howl at your beauty like a dog in heat. I'd claw at your heart, I'd tear at your sheet. I said, please, I'm your man. If you want to sleep for a moment on the road, I will steer for you. And if you want to work the streets alone, I'll disappear for you. If you want a father for your child, or only want to walk with me a while across the sand, I'm your man. Oh, the moon's too bright, the chain's too tight, the beast won't go to sleep. I've been running through these promises to you that I made and could not keep. Oh, but a man never got a woman back, not by begging on his knees. Or I'd crawl to you, baby, I'd fall at your feet, I'd howl at your beauty like a dog in heat.